Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve.
And I'm Uncle Don.
We're very festive right here.
Very festive.
So we're at the Kraken event. We have our table and we want to show you what we trade today and what merch that we brought here today. We even brought some Yibu Beauty and we'll have some really cool mystery box for people to purchase too. So let's have some cool pin trading day. Oh, Uncle Don, what kind of pins are you looking for?
Today I can't buy anything.
We can trade. We have a lot of value to trade.
That's okay. We need to sell some.
Okay, we need to sell some. Yes, okay. Let's do it. All right, so this is our table right here. We have a two table. Look at my collections. And by the way, these are for trade and for sale. I have a whole nother collections, not for trade or for sale. Look at all this. We also brought some Yibu Beauty here, of course. And we got some really cute turning red May backpack. So there's all kind of stuff here. And my brother-in-law made this beautiful Disney castle. They are really pretty. If you're interested, so scan his QR code here so you can learn more about his merchandise. And they're selling for $20. So this is the overall the ballroom right here. I think the table is about 70% filled. Not all of them, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, let's go walk around, say hi to our friends. Here's my friend Marcy. Wait, did you make that?
No, that's how it was sold. It's a Disney Advent calendar.
It's a Disney Advent calendar.
And
Wait, that's a new one?
no, this is from like 4 years ago, I think, pre-COVID.
That's beautiful.
So all of these pins are in these boxes.
Oh wow.
And the retail price was $250. So it was $10 per pin. But today, I'm letting you open a drawer for $5 and you get whatever mystery pin is inside.
Wow, that's
So you'll
really
get one of
cool.
these limited edition ornaments.
That's really cool.
Pretty rad.
Yeah, let me see that.
There's some really great
Oh, sorry.
That's right.
Yeah,
Super great characters.
very cool. We're definitely gonna do that. That is really cool. And look at her merch. There's so many merch.
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay,
Just
let's
like
go
what you
see
like.
my friends. Hey, David. What's up? You see the light there? That's our table.
That's cool. Nice setup.
Thank you. So what's new here? Yeah, they're pretty.
Can't change.
I want some of this, but when you have a chance to stop by, see if anything you like. Wow, there's so many nice stuff here. Okay, so there's more tray here. So when you come here, you can either purchase the pins or you can trade the pins. Hey friends.
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
So she has some really cool pins here. Whoa, look at that.
So you're done with this for now.
Oh my gosh, what is sorry. That is beautiful.
I know, aren't they great? It's a whole series. There's like 12 of them or 15.
So when you hear that, just back up. Don't even bother, right? No, it's like, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they have a Tower of Terror as well.
Wow, I never seen that before.
The Bell one is beautiful.
This is my first time see someone have that here.
I think it's from like
207, I think.
yeah.
What is the value for those?
They're about 2 each.
2 each.
to 250 depending
Okay,
on
that's decent.
And they're
I thought you were gonna say
LE
20, 2,000 each.
Yeah, they're LE 750.
Really? They made $7.50 off of that one?
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
And on the side too, it's got like the storybook look. So it's got like the title.
Oh
on the
my
side.
god. My new thing is I collect cassette tape. Right? When you open it, it's a cassette tape.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like, oh, I shouldn't do that, but you know, it's like, there's so many cool pins here. Oh my god. And sometimes I love the fantasy pins. Wow. Oh my god, it's so cool. All these pins here. Some Paris pins. Oh, they're so cute. Do you guys only do trade? I mean, only purchase or do you trade too?
No, we're trading.
You're trading? Okay.
Definitely trading. We love
And I
looking at
think
stuff.
our very last page is
All
fantasy.
fantasy.
Wow. So if you do trading, I have a table over there, but let me see.
We're gonna wander once he's finished eating.
Yeah, of course.
Priorities, right?
Yes, food. Wow, food. That's so cute.
I can't start the day hangry. That's just not a way to do
No, no.
We're like, I can't start the day with you hangry.
it. What's the difference there?
Oh, you
What's
have the Moana.
Semantics.
When you walk around,
How you doing?
we had a table with the light there. Stop by and just see
Sounds
the
good.
Moana.
I'll bring
I'm
you
the
back.
only one have a light.
All right.
So you can see right there. All right, see you later. Enjoy your lunch.
Yeah.
That is impressive. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, hey, how are you? Wow, so many pins.
Go ahead and look you up.
Yeah. How are you doing? I feel like I haven't seen you for a while.
We missed the last one
Oh.
because I was working. But other than that, yeah, we've been to a lot of them.
I mean, we've been to almost every single one of them for last 5 months. But normally when I'm here, I'm just by my table. I don't really walk around, so. Wow, so nice. You're a big spender. You have 3 tables. This time we brought.
Over there, where are you at?
We have a light. You see that? That's our table. Hello. Your table made my table look really sad. Nice, very beautiful. Door. Oh my gosh. They are all the doors. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's a cute girls looking for the Princess Hill. So we're trading for that one. So you want both hill, right?
Yes.
What else do you have here? I can take a look. I'm sure I can get something. I'm very easygoing. Very easy, very easy. Would you do that one? Piglet? No?
That one,
No
yes.
problem. And then would you do the Munchling?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yay, we trade.
Oops, go to the back.
What's your
To the
name?
back.
Emma, Steve, nice meeting you.
Nice
I hope you
meeting
like
you.
it.
Thank you so
Yay.
much.
Thank you. So we're doing another really cool trade here. I'm trading out the marquee pen to this super cool pens right here. And this one. This is so popular. Everybody wants this. So awesome. Thank you so much. Yay, we're doing another great trade here. The Moana and Raya, I think. And trade for Jafar. This is new. They just released this, so that's awesome. Thank you very much. So we're doing another trade. Wait, you like this one, right?
Yeah.
So we're trading this baby to the Munchling. That's a Dale. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much. Yay.
Yes, I filmed.
Okay, we trade another. Can I put you in a video?
Oh, yes, sir.
Hey, here's the crew here. What's your name?
Antonio.
Antonio.
Patrick.
Oh, she's not here. So we're trading this 2 and Wakanda to the Goofy. The reason why is that 4 people asked me for this today already.
Holy.
Too late, I'm getting this. Yay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
So tell us what's your social media name?
We trade for churros.
Oh my god, that's the best. Follow them, we trade for churro. So we're trading the Haunted Mansion and the Nemo to... What's their name again?
Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
So cute.
The Donald Duck
And
nephews.
oh my god, this one. Thank you so much. Hey guys, I scored. We're getting Olaf to trade. We're trading the Haunted Mansion, the bride, to Olaf from Paris. Oh, they both pairs. Just realized that. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, my friend Melody. I'm Steve. What, you filming me?
We're filming each other filming.
So funny. So I'm trading this. What's his name? Forgot.
The onward guy.
Onward guy. I just like.
Exact name.
I just know they're so hard to get.
Yes,
and
I think
it's
we like
one
the
per
soda
person.
fountains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm getting this. Trading out this 4 or 5 smaller fantasy pins, Little Mermaid, and that person.
So yes.
Yay!
I am getting these 4, trading that one away, and again, we're filming each other filming. It's kind of like a meta thing going on. So you can follow One Step Adventures on YouTube, and I will post everything I traded for today. Thank you so much. Always appreciate trading together.
Thank you. Bye. So I'm trading these 2 really cool Kai pen from this is the Disney pairs. From what's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon. Hi. And we're trading out for the. I don't even know what that. Oh, the Lena Bell and the beanie and the pen there. Thank you so much.
Of course. I'm so glad they're going to a good home.
Yeah. Yay.
Did you find it?
Some yeah. So we're trading the thumb pens and to
And it's
the
valuable for the rest of our trading today, so thank you.
the castle too. What's your name?
Bella.
Bella, new home. Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. They're so cute. We have this fantasy pens and we trade this 3 Munchling. Those 2 are the new one. This is the older one, but they're cute. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the pens we traded today at the Kraken event. Sound really amazing. Like, look at this. Oh my god. And then I got the Princess and Prince Disney 100 collections. Look at this. And then Stitch. And then we have a whole bunch of Munchling today. I don't know why. There's so many I traded today. This is the hot item. And there's more like Kanto and more Stitch. Winnie the Pooh Stitch. And then a Disney Paris pen. Such an amazing trade today. Alright, we finished the event today and we made a lot of new friends and our cool pen trading. Uncle Don, you had a good time?
Of course.
Did you spend any money today?
No, thank goodness.
Normally he'll come spend money right away. So anyway, we're gonna be the next event. I'm gonna put a flyer down here. If you're in Orange County, come to see us with a lot of special, Yibu Beauty special, pen trading special.
Definitely come to the next one and
Yes.
see us.
Make sure you subscribe to YouTube channel over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know time and day we release our video. And follow Uncle Don at
Epicurious_Uncle Don on Instagram.
Bye. Bye, Uncle Don. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.